As you see, the piano has white and black keys, and this is how we recognize the notes. You can imagine if the notes would be all white, so I can really distinguish one key from the other. But because I have the black keys in between, I can distinguish which notes I'm going to play. So your first exercise will be to take two of your fingers or your entire hand and play something called clusters. The clusters are just two notes that we play together, like the two black keys. So they play them all. So let's start from the top. Let's start from the top of the piano. Then we will have, here, and then 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 here. And then let's go on the top of the piano as well, again. And then we will play the three black keys. And this one is alone, poor guy. Okay, so now let's try to go up. Let's play the two black keys and let's go up. And let's go back down here. I'm sorry. Ready and go. Okay, so now that you know all these beautiful things, stop the video and play all the two black keys going up and down, and all the three black keys going up and down. You can use the right hand or the left hand, depending on what you prefer, or both, or, have fun. And I'll see you in the next section.